Alright, 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you want to reset the oil life, the service reminder, or whatever you really want to call it, what you're going to need to do is you're going to use the buttons on your steering wheel here, and you're going to use these lower buttons here, and this is your menu button. You're going to go to hit the menu button, and you're going to select it all the way to where it has the gear symbol here. Then use the down arrow, and you're going to go to service interval. Alright, and then you have an enter button here, and then you're going to enter into that. And as you can see, if I go down, the service interval is not turned on. So you have the option of turning it on and off. You're going to hit that enter button, and you're going to turn it on, and you can turn it off. I'm going to go and turn this one on. I'm going to go down to the mileage. Now I can set the distance, and I want to set it for, that's kind of a lot of miles, but I get it to remind me at 3,000 miles. Alright, so 3,000 miles will remind me that I need to change the oil. Same thing with the months. I'm going to change that to 10 months. It's that simple. You're just using the buttons that you have right here on the steering wheel. And then it'll ask you if you'd like to save when you press the menu button. And you're going to go ahead and hit enter, and it'll save the interval scheduled.